Hi everybody, welcome back to English 101. I'm continuing to go over your essay instructions. I do want to remind you that here under final module, actually let me go back so you remember where everything is at. So under the final module, there is the overview that tells you what all the requirements are for these next few weeks. What we're focusing on is the essay requirements. I've already done a screencast, hopefully you've heard that, that talks through these requirements here. But I also want to spend a little bit of time sharing with you the rubric and how I'll be grading that final essay. But before I get to the final essay, there are going to be 3 opportunities for you to receive feedback. The first one will be after you have turned into me your introduction with a thesis statement, the outline of the rest of your paper, and the sources that you're going to be using. I'll take a look at those, make sure that you are on the right track, and give you feedback if you're not or whether you are. So that'll be your first piece of feedback. Once you've gotten that feedback and you do your first draft, after that first draft there are 2 opportunities for feedback. One is peer feedback. So you will be working with 2 other classmates, and once you upload your draft with your to the group that your 2 classmates are in, you will provide each other pretty specific feedback, and I will again give you directions there. But you will also be signing up for a final conference with me, where you and I will go over your essay together, your draft together, and I will be giving you feedback there. In order to help you work to shore up that draft so that it's ready for your final draft. Once you turn your final draft in on December 14th, which is a Monday, I will then be grading using this rubric. So if you click on this rubric, you are going to get to a PDF that shows this. I would suggest taking a look at this a lot, so you know where you're going, right? And what is being asked of you. So this is a 100-point essay. 20 points are for the title, the introduction, the thesis, and the conclusion. You can see here the specifics of what I'm looking for that exceeds expectations and how you would possibly get fewer points there. We're also going to be grading you on your audience. Who is your audience? And I want you to think about it being the needs of any reader at Chandler Gilbert. I'm going to be reading it, and you're also going to have students reading it. So think about us as your audience. You're going to be getting 30 points in regards to word count, supporting evidence, and source synthesis. And remember, your sources are going to be used out of the Canvas course and what you've learned out of the PowerPoints and any other source information that you have from there. And the framework. So again, if you've got any questions on that. Then I will be giving you 20 points on MLA citations and 10 points on your writing process. If I don't see any changes from draft to final draft, then you won't get any points in here. The whole reason why we give feedback is for you to learn from this process and to make changes and revisions to your essay to make it better. So use this rubric. It'll help you out. Take care. Bye-bye.